Hey everybody, good morning. It is Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters. And today I'm going to do a review, a recommendation, just go over a few things about the GrenerPower 12.8 volt, 100 amp hour LifePO battery that I got. I got two of these. I put one in, I've got a few boats. I'm a charter boat captain here in Florida. So I've got one that I put in my smaller boat that's just a 12 volt trolling motor system. And this one is just a basically a backup I'm going to use. So I've got it here, but the one in the boat that I've used it about, let's see, I got the battery a few weeks ago. I probably used it maybe 5 or 6 times. And I got to be honest with you, I was really impressed. I wasn't sure because I've only used lithium batteries in like my drones or flashlights. And you always hear these stories, oh, they're dangerous, they get wet. And when I used it the first time I got back, I put it on my onboard charger and it said it still had like 98%, and I must have used it for a good 2 hours. So this battery I like a lot. It comes, what I noticed also is when it was shipped to me, it came in a nice box with padding around it. It's got 2 handles on it that can lift up. It's got the service card, all the directions and everything like that. The only thing I noticed, it's not Bluetooth. So I know some of the other batteries are Bluetooth with an app and all that kind of stuff. Like in my bigger bay boat, I've got not batteries in there, but I've got something with my chart plotter that, you know, you can communicate with your phone and all that kind of stuff. That's an evolving fluid technology that's still evolving and all that kind of stuff. But it comes with the mounting post and all this kind of stuff. This is a group, I think this is a group 24 if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if it says it on here. But just, you'll have to do your research on what kind of battery you're wanting, all that kind of good stuff. But again, it's the GrenerPower LifePO 12.8 volt, 100 amp hour. You could use these, you could get 2 of these and use them in a 24 volt trolling motor, 3 of them in a 36, or you could just use this as a deep cycle battery. This is not a starting battery. Don't use it to start your boat. I'm mostly using it for my trolling motor. But if you're looking for a great battery from a great company, you can't go wrong with the GrenerPower. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a great day. Thank you.